Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Ganesh. Today we are talking about this concept that is the S3. S3 is nothing but a storage and which is used to store or object related data. So whatever your object related data, either it is file or any images or any files, so you can store it under this S3 bucket. So what are the benefits of this S3 bucket and how we can create it? So we can do this demonstration under this lab. So basically this S3 bucket we can accessible globally. Suppose I am in this region, that is the OI region, and if suppose you click on this services, and under services you just type S3. Here you will get this S3. Just click on it. So there are already two buckets I have already created, so just I am removing that buckets. Bucket is nothing but the directory, so which directory we are creating, and this directory needs to be unique name in the global. So in all the regions this bucket name not be same, so it should be unique. First I am removing my existing bucket. First you need to empty that bucket, and then after you need to delete it. Okay. Yeah, so here is the option that is the create bucket. So just click on it. I am giving the name that is gun Yama 80 2011. So this is my bucket name. Here it's asking for which region you want to create. So by default I am taking this name, that is US list. Under this OI region I am going to create it. There is the option when you click on it. So here is the option that is this elastic region and something. Okay, yeah, just I'm going to click on next. Here it is asking for some versioning and server accessing log. So right now we are not looking for this versioning is the different concept. So in next lab we will cover this versioning concept. If you want to tag something, you can tag it and specify some value. Here you need to scroll down and check which are the options. Object related logging, default encryption. If you want to provide some encryption to your data, so you can click on this option and you can provide it. So these are the options you will get, and you can provide this encryption key to your data. Now I am not going to select any encryption. There is some advanced setting. So under this advanced setting you can check permanently allow object this bucket to be locked. If suppose you want to lock this bucket, you can do this setting. Cloud watch, I am not doing any cloud watch related metrics. Just clicking on next. Here is the option if you want to allow this bucket publicly access, so you just click on it, and if suppose you don't want, then you just remove this click and just acknowledge it. Okay, so I am going to untick this option, and here is the option do not grant Amazon S3 log delivery group right access to this bucket. So this is recommended, and if you want to grant publicly, then you need to select this option. Okay, now I am going to select this option for testing purpose, and here is the option block all public access. I am not selecting, and just untick it and just click on next. So my bucket will visible to all, it is publicly accessible. Now just create your bucket. Now my bucket will create. So just go to this gun MIT 2011 bucket and check. So if you want to upload anything under this bucket, so just click on upload. Here you need to add your file. I'm going to add some files here. Here is the, suppose this is my image file I want to upload, so just click on it and upload it. So there are some other options also available, so you need to check that option. Here is the option, that is the object read, write, and these are the permissions are available. And here is mentioned like do not grant public read access, so just I am clicking on this grant public read access to this. That means publicly it will accessible to all this, everyone in this world has read access to this object. Yes. Next, here there are multiple types of the S3 bucket. So these are the S3 bucket types. There is the standard intelligent tiering, standard IA. IA is nothing but the infrequent access. So sometimes we are so many of the files we are not accessing multiple times. So we can keep that files under this storage. So this option you will get to upload your data under this particular storage. So according to your budget or your billing process you can upload it, and these are the options you will get. There are total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 options are available. So these are the, so most of the data we are saving under the standard, that is my standard. And just you need to click on next. There is no other encryption also you can apply for this data. I'm just clicking on next. Here I'm going to upload it. Now my bucket will upload under this bucket. Now it's uploading. So while uploading or downloading this data from this S3 bucket, so you need to be charged. You need to pay something to AWS. So now my file is uploaded. Now you can see, just click on this image and check. Here is the option, that is the open. So you just click on open, so it will open that image on your system. If suppose this link I will share to anyone, so they can also access this data. So here is the option, that is the object URL. So I am just clicking on it and just copy it, and let's try to open it. Yeah, we have made this data as publicly access, so it is accessible from anywhere. Now I am able to access it. So this is the method you can upload your data under this S3 bucket. Now there is the concept, that is the versioning. So while uploading your data, creating your bucket, so there is the option, that is the versioning. So versioning is basically about your version. So if suppose you are going to upload any data, and that data will again update it after some days, and you again update it, so at that time the same file, so that previous file will remove, and this updated file will automatically generated under this bucket. So at that time, if suppose you want to access that previous file, so you need to enable your versioning before that. So this feature will provide to recover your data. If suppose someone has deleted accidentally, and if you want to recover that file, so using this versioning option you can recovered it. So under this latest version you will get this option. This is the option of versioning. So here I have uploaded this file. Suppose you have created one file. So before that we need to just click on property. Here is the option of the, okay, first we need to go inside this Amazon S3, click on this bucket and check their properties. Here we need to set the property, and here we will get the option of versioning. Just click on it and enable it. So there are two options, that is the enabling and this disabling. By default it is disabled, so just I am going to save it. Again I am going under this overview. Now I am going to upload one file. Okay, so this is my test file which I have created. I am going to upload that file. Now this file is uploaded. Just check what contents are there. So this file is for testing S3 bucket. This is my content inside this file. If suppose I have, and you need to check under this latest version. So under this latest version, again I need to go inside this S3, click on it and just click on this data, and here is the latest version is reflecting. Now I am going to change some content under this file. Then this is for updated, this is updated file, and just I need to save it. Now I am going to upload that same file with the updated version. So this test file will not be available for more, right? Now this file is now going to upload. Now you can check this test file having the different content which I have modified. So now you can check this file is updated file, right? So we have enabled our versioning. So in versioning, the previous data, what data is available in my previous file, so you can check it using this latest version. Just go there and check. Here is my latest version which I have updated right now, and previous data is my updated on this 4:28. This is my timeline, so which I have uploaded. So you can recover it from here also. So just click on it, or you can remove it. Okay, so now I am going to go under this property. Okay, just 1 minute. Yeah, here is some file. Now I am going to remove this test file. Okay, so this test file I am going to remove it. If suppose anyone accidentally remove this file, so how you can recover it? So just I am going to remove it. Just click on delete. So now it is removed. So here is the option of this version, that is the hide and show. So just you need to click on show. So under show you will get these files, that is the delete marker. So these files which I have deleted, so it mark as delete marker. So just click on it, and again you need to delete that file, so it will restore under this same path. Here is the option delete, you need to click on it and just delete it. So now this file will recover under this same path. Now go under this file, this is my bucket name, and this test file is now again recovered with the latest update, right? So this is my modified files which I have generated. So this is the latest update I received, or you can say you have recovered your latest modified file. So this is the method you need to apply for this versioning. So this versioning mostly used in the organizations, because if suppose someone accidentally deleted or remove your file, so you can recover it. So if suppose this option is not enabled in the S3 bucket, then you can't recover this file. So always remember, if your data is very important, very critical, then you need to enable this versioning feature under this bucket. Okay, so this is the information about this S3 and this versioning. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. In next lab we will synchronize our local desktop data to this AWS S3 bucket. So we will do some demonstration under this next video. So thank you.